Wound is a pattern. That's all it is. It's a pattern that is subconscious, meaning it is often operating and driving your behavioral levers on your behalf without your awareness. So it's a wound because it generates situations in your life that give you pain. That's why we call it a wound. So the way that you heal it, you have to reframe how you interpret the world. You have to pattern your stimuli response reactions that have been ingrained over time. How do you do that? You talk about it. This is where working with a coach like myself, I am accepting new clients. The link is in the bio. You can book a one-on-one, or therapists can help you do this too. You can also do it on your own and talk to yourself in voice notes. All of these are fast to slow. So working with a coach like myself is very, very fast. Working with a therapist is slow. Working by yourself is even slower. So it's all in the pace and the time frame that you want to be able to work through things. These are generalizations, but I tend to work extremely fast as your defense mechanisms will allow. But even then, we've had to modulate the work. You have to be very sound to do that level of speed healing. Be very strong in your mind, strong in your identity, and have good coping mechanisms. If you struggle with overwhelm, if you struggle with destructive patterns, or if you have any sort of diagnosis, you're better off working with a therapist or yourself. And that's just because it's incredibly hard to work through the defense mechanisms at the speed in which I do coaching, and because it's also very confrontational and you usually need a softer touch. All right. And working on your own is going to take even more time.